Today I'll be giving you some tips and tricks on how to make money as a teenager. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and giving this a thumbs up. My first tip to earning money as a teenager is to start mowing lawns in your neighborhood. It's very easy. All you need is a lawnmower, a weed eater, and a leaf blower so you can blow grass off driveway, sidewalk, when you're done. All you have to do is make some nice flyers that have a great presentation, go around your neighborhood and put them in the flags of mailboxes or on the door of houses you think that would be good to mow. And if they call or text you, you just tell them a good price. It depends on the size of the lawn. My average prices are $20 to $35. It really depends on the size and how hard of a lawn it is to mow. If you do not already have any lawnmower equipment, you can ask to borrow it from your parents and even pay for some of the gas needed for the equipment. You also, if you don't want to borrow it, you can go on Craigslist, Letgo, Facebook Marketplace, and find a good self-propelled lawnmower and weed whacker blower to complete the job. I personally mow a lot of lawns, and it is very lucrative for me because I love lawn mowing and it's not too hard for me, and I can earn anywhere from $20 to $35 per lawn every 1 to 2 weeks, and I currently have 10 customers. My next tip will be to start the vending business. The vending business, which I do, is where I bought gumball and candy machines. I contact local businesses like pizzerias, car repair shops, and like burger shops and that type of stuff. And you ask to place your gumball or candy machine in there. You give them a small percentage of the sales per month, and you start making money. You just fill it up with gumballs, Skittles, Mike and Ike's, M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, any candy you think will be good. I personally use gumballs, Skittles, and Mike and Ike's. This really is an awesome method of making money because all you have to do is place the machine in the location. Every 2 weeks to a month, you go to the location, you check on it, you clean it, add candy, and you take the quarters out, and that's it. It just sits there and makes money while you're gone. So I currently have 3 machines out making money. I mean, not too much during COVID, but normally making money. My last tip that I will be giving today is to scour Craigslist, Letgo, or if you have it, Facebook Marketplace for free listings, for free stuff that is worth something. I check at least 2 times a week on Craigslist and Letgo for free stuff that might have any value, like shoes, electronics. It really just depends. It could be a dresser that's given away for free in really good condition, and you just get it for free, and then you repost it for money, either back on the same platform or on an online shipping platform like Mercari, eBay, such. You can also do the same thing looking around your neighborhood for stuff that's put out on the curb, like dressers, lawnmowers, stuff like that, golf clubs, and you can all resell that or take it to a pawn shop. The method of looking for stuff in my neighborhood is great because while I'm riding my bike or my scooter around, I can look for stuff that's been put out on the curb. Recently, I found a dresser and a nightstand that was in like perfect, almost new condition that someone put out. I reposted it, and the next day I sold both of those to one person for $85 when I paid $0 for that. $85 for nothing. Perfect. That's some good money for just free stuff that was on the curb for nothing. For now, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed my ways of making money as a teenager. as long as you know how to do these tips, you can start making money as a teenager. I'm not that old and I'm already making a lot of money from these tips and tricks. So, if you have any questions about these tips, please leave them in the comments and I'm sure to get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.